Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Modern coastal at its finest, located on one of the best wraparound lake lots in the community. Welcoming open-concept floor plan make this the ideal place for gatherings with friends and family. Impact windows. Large updated kitchen with quartz and stainless steel appliances and center island. Stunning bathrooms. Nearly $100K in options were chosen for this home. Enjoy your best life in the 9,000 square feet. Clubhouse West/Fitness Center, community room, catering kitchen activities room, resort-style pool, summer kitchen, barbecue grills, tennis center, pickleball, a 70-acre park, with a walking path that meanders throughout the community. Gated entry. Close to airports, shops and beaches.